check out this beautiful California Mustang. It's been here, I think, its entire life, and it's been with the same owner for a really long time. Get into the description, I'll get more into it, but I just love it. It's just classic, elegant, nicely equipped, perfect color, two-tone blue interior with a light blue exterior. It's got a white power top, power steering, power brakes. You know, it's got the 289 with the C4 automatic. Everything in the car works, including the stock AM radio. And I know this client, she takes just fantastic care of her cars. She's a Ford girl, all and through. So this one's just lovely. It's just a lovely car to drive. I'm going to take you out for a little drive, and you can check it out for yourself. And at the end of the video, make sure, if you haven't already, get over to my website, leftcoastclassics.com, and check out the whole description. We're going to have tons and tons of photos, and you're really going to be able to check out this Mustang, and you'll know everything about it when you're done. But for right now, let's go. Let's take a cruise.
Him in. I mean, he's in government, but he's not in power.
5 times the national average.
All right, so now we're going to give it the magnet test for you, especially for you people back east and Midwest, and you have seen what the salt can do to the cars. This, again, it's a very quintessential California car. The magnet's just grabbing it beautifully. And the convertibles, obviously the door corners are extremely vulnerable, because these cars at one point or another would usually suffer a few years outdoors as they became the third car. But look at these, beautiful. Not the case on this one. Just nice grabby metal. I don't really need to do that. You can see that from the undercarriage shots. I'm going to come back around to this side. Look at that. And again, door corner is beautiful. There, again, nice corner there. I'm doing this on the quarter, but I will undoubtedly have shots of the inside of the quarters so you can see those, but clearly these are very nice. So there you go. All right, so now we're heading onto the Mustang, and just like this is your quintessential, this is what you want to see when you get these California cars up here. You want to see them live up to their California-ness, and this one does. I mean, look at that undercarriage, look at the floors, the inner rockers. There's just no rust, there's no rot, there's no repair under here. It's just really nice and solid, really beautiful, all that factory metal. And that's the thing, just you look at this car and it's so straight, it's so solid, it's just so nice. The things that matter are just fantastic. So there you go. And not a leaky car either, you know, it doesn't puddle. It's been at the shop a few days and sitting there and looking good underneath in the morning.